Welcome to the introduction video of the DigitalS USB interface. My name is Martin Koster, lead designer with Sofridis.io and responsible for the development of the DigitalS interface. First, let me show you what it looks like. It's a small PCB with a USB socket on this end. You can use the USB connection to upload your programs to the DigitalS to give it the functionality you want. After programming, you can use this USB interface to communicate to the DigitalS from your computer and tell it what to do. At the other side of the PCB, there's a 32-pin electrical interface that you can use to connect to your electronics and control them the way you want it. As you would expect, a large amount of digital I/O pins is available here, but you can also perform other functions such as AD conversion. In order to give you a head start in discovering the DigitalS interface, we developed a module that can be used as a learning device. It's called the ModRC extension board and it looks like this. The board contains a few simple electronic devices that are easy to understand. It has a number of LEDs, 4 push buttons, a multicolor LED and a twisting knob that's called the rotary encoder. Optionally, you can order it with an LCD character display. It can be connected to the DigitalS by sliding it onto the 32-pin header. Now, in order to bring these electronics to life, you will need to upload software to the DigitalS interface. The unit I have here is already programmed with some example functionality that you can download from our website. Part of the downloadable examples is also this graphical interface to demonstrate the electronics on the ModRC board. These buttons here control each of the 8 LEDs on the ModRC board. So if I click it on my screen here, you will see the corresponding LED lighting up. Or going off, of course. The next thing I want to show you is reading out the push buttons. Their status is shown in the checkboxes here on a computer screen. Now if I press this push button, you will see the tick appear in the checkbox on the screen. And of course it works the same for the other buttons. Now let's make things a bit more complicated. I told you there was a multicolor LED on the board as well. The 3 sliders on a computer screen control this LED. This LED can show red, green and blue colors, but also any combination. By using pulse width modulation, which is further explained in the examples on our website, you can change the intensity of each individual color. Let me show you by using the sliders on a computer screen. First we try red, then green, and finally blue. Now let's try a bit of red and a bit of blue together. And a bit of green and red together. Another thing to show you is the rotary encoder. It generates pulses from which you can tell in which direction the encoder knob is turned and also how far it is turned. I will turn it up and down a bit. Now watch this bar here on a computer screen to see the effect. And finally, we'll connect the LCD display. As you can see, the display is working. Now let's go back to the computer and type some text here. Now we click the send button and watch the display. That's all for this demonstration. If you want to know more about the DigitalS and how to use it, please have a look at our website www.sofridis.com. The examples I showed you in this video can be downloaded there as well, and you can order your own DigitalS starter kit from our webshop to do it yourself and develop your own applications. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you on our website.